YouTube channel, Happy Life in Italy. And today, I present to you the part 3 of easy to cook menu italiano chiamava vitello tonato e vitello con salsa verde. Now, let's all add the ingredients on 3 liters of water. I have here 1.5 kilos of veal, the slat part. For every half kilos, you have to cook it for 30 minutes. Since I have 1.5 kilos, so I have to cook this veal for 1.5 hours. When the water starts boiling, put in a low heat fire. Cook it for 1.5 hours. This special recipe that I am making, you can eat it cold. It usually served for dinner or buffet and usually served in summertime. And by the way, don't forget to take off all the foam. It's the residues of the meat that we don't need. We have to take it off on our boiling water. After 1.5 hours, our vitello is ready. And let's leave it to cool down. With parsley, cut, olive oil, salt, pepper, then our parsley, just mix them all together, and voila, our green sauce. Now, for our tuna sauce, need mayonnaise. I add to this video a little glimpse of how to make your own mayonnaise. Homemade mayonnaise. Very easy. For tuna sauce, we just need 2 cans of tuna, 250 grams of mayonnaise, salt, and black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Let's prepare. All right. Now, let's cut the meat on a thin slice. Now, let's start the veal with tuna sauce. First, I spread the mayonnaise on the pan. Then, the sliced veal, thin slice. Then, on top, the rest of the mayonnaise. Voila! Now, with our second recipe, veal with green sauce. Isn't that easy? These 2 recipes are surely a hit for your gatherings, parties, family reunion, and fiesta. You don't need to heat it every time you serve. You can serve it cold. And last, you can add potatoes, boiled potatoes, for condiments. Thank you for watching.